What's up, guys? So in this video I'm going to go over Armour Bodies Track Day or Track Fairing install on a GSXR1000R. In this video I'm just going to give a quick review of the bodywork I received, and then I'm going to go over the install of it and what I think afterwards and how it fit. So here's what I received, ordered online. So I've used these in the past, and some things that's changed is they're already pre-drilled, which is something that my last set of Armour Bodies didn't come with. Now these holes will need to be enlarged, but they're already drilled. They're pretty competent in their fit, and that's been my experience with Armour Bodies anyway, is that their fit is almost spot on. It's almost like OEM. These come where you just scuff and they're ready for paint. I will not be painting them this time. I have 2 track days coming up really quick, but I want to get them on the bike before and ride the track days, then pull them off and have them painted when I have some time between days. But ordered online, so I received the upper fairing, lower belly pan, tank cover, rear cover for the rear, and front fender. And I just want to show everything is pre-drilled, so it should be real easy. I have a step bit that I'm going to use to enlarge them as I need, but for now, this is just what I'm working with. Highly recommend Armour Bodies. I have them on my ZX10, on my ZX6R. They crash well, easily repaired. This has been repaired. This front's been repaired and painted, and I repaired this last year and not got around to painting it. I do have, funny is I have all this stuff to paint it right here in the garage, sitting there. But yeah, I mean, for the money, I don't think there's a better track fairing out there. Actually, it's like Armour Bodies does all the work for you before they send it to you, really. I mean, this is scuff it and paint it. So I'm going to end this now. This is just a quick review on Armour Bodies. I highly recommend it. Next up is after I have it fitted to the GSXR, I'm going to go over what I think about it and just show you the fit. I expect it to fit very well and be almost like OEM. That's how good they've been in the past.